Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to take a simple exercise in SolidWorks Inventor 2021, and here we will learn some basic features in Autodesk Inventor 2021. So let's make this simple exercise or model in Inventor. Exercise number 14 in Autodesk Inventor. So here we will start with this base flange, outer diameter 78. There is one more small circle R18 and the distance between this 40 millimeter. There is three 12 millimeter circle, but this circle pitch is R28, radius 28, and the distance angle 45 millimeter. So we will see this also. Then we will extrude. Here you will see the thickness 20. So let's open, click here new. Now we will go to metric, standard millimeter, because we are going to create in millimeter. Okay, now first we need to choose our plane. So I'll select start 2D sketch. Now here I'll choose XZ plane. I'll activate circle, the center point and drag, and the outer diameter is 78, enter. Now one more circle R15 means 30 diameter. I'll click here 30. Right click OK. Now I'll choose here one constraint called, here fits this horizontal one, dimension. Now let's define this dimension 40, enter. Now one more center point arc, this center. Now here the first option, it shows the length, so that is 28, radius 28, tap key 45 degree, tap, enter and drag, and the center angle 90, enter. See, this is our main geometry we need to create. Right click OK. Now right click on this construction geometry, circle. Let's create 3 circles, any small circles, don't make any relation or something, so that it OK. Now hold equal and select all this, escape, equal 1, 2, 3 with this. Now all equal, even though you can define any one dimension, let's say this one 12. Okay. Now I'll do one thing, line, and I'll connect from here to this, exit. Here one constraint called tangent, choose this line, this circle, it's tangent. This line, circle, this line, it's tangent. Right click, exit. See, now we will mirror it. So again we will create one construction line from here to this point. Right click on the line, construction line, select line. So I'll choose this line. Now I'll choose the mirror line, this is, apply. See, it's mirror here, done. Even though it works in this condition also, I'll show you how. Finish sketch, extrude. Now just rotate. Now here you need to choose profile. So 1, 2, just hold shift key and press your middle mouse and drag. See, this is how we need. Now here distance 20, it's moving in one direction, even though change direction, but we will keep as it is. Okay. Now we will define some color to this body so it looks more visible. olive green. Okay. Now next there is two holes, one barrel, it's here diameter 30, 20 and the length 65. Then one more, there is a half circle R40, R30, distance 90 millimeter and width 30 millimeter. Select this face and here the option comes create sketch. Circle. Now the first one 30, enter. Second one 20, enter. Now finish sketch, extrude, choose profile. So I'll select this profile. See, it's moving upside and here you need to define 65. See here 65, say OK. Select this face, sketch. I'll drag one line. 90, click, exit. Right click on this line and make sure it is center line or construction line, whatever line you say it's. I'll select the line. Now first radius is 40, so it should be 80 diameter, then 60. I'll choose your line, I'll connect from this point to this point. Okay, now let's make okay constraint relation, this one and this point should be properly matched. Dimension, let's again define this dimension. Oh, this is not 90, press 90. I'll choose here trim 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we like to use. Now here we will fix some relations. Let's say this point, this point, this point, this point. See, it is now fully constrained. Right click, OK. I think no need to define anything else. Finish sketch, extrude. And this length 30 millimeter, but make it reverse. See, okay. Again the same plane, sketch. Now here one cutout, so that is I am going to, I'll choose here line, you find center point. Again I'll select here line to here. I'll choose mirror, select the line, and this is the line. Apply, done. Now a smart dimension, and I'll define the dimension 16 millimeter. See, now it is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude. Now this time here I'll choose cut 1, 2 and depth is only 6 millimeter. See, the whole geometry is not fully visible, so now let's add this. You see here the cutout 6 millimeter and 16 this one. Now let's add this flange, and this flange 12 diameter, and it is start from center to here, thickness 10 millimeter, but below the 10 millimeter below of this, and there is one cutout, and this is 18 by 12 millimeter and throughout hole, and one rib also, and this rib dimension you will see here 10 millimeter. Now let's check one sketch. So just drop down and choose X Z plane, sorry, 2-point corner rectangle, and this is 18, tap 12, enter, right click, OK. Now the lines are not visible. Again we have the problem. Finish sketch, and now just go to view, click half section view, and I'll choose one plane like YZ. Say OK, so that we will easily visible our drawings, lines and everything. Let's take a sketch dimension. Now this dimension from this upper line is 30 millimeter. Say OK. Now distance from here to this line is half of this, so it's 6 millimeter. This is fully defined sketch. Now finish. So extrude. Now here keep end condition both side, and we will choose here through all. Distance through all, we don't need to define anything, and here choose cut. Say OK. Now select end section view. Look. Now let's go to model. Let's choose a plane. Select this one. Minus 10. OK. Now I'll choose this plane, sketch. Now here we need to create our line. I'll select line from this point to this one, and one line from here to, just keep your OK. Right click, make sure this line is mirror. I'll choose this line. Now mirror line, this one. Apply, done. Distance, angle 12 degree. OK. Right click. Now this point, it should be coincide with this. Here we will create one relation, horizontal constraint. I'll choose this point and center of this circle. See, this is fully defined, and let's we want to connect from here to this point. So just to close the geometry, so there is one option called 3-point arc. Exit. Even though if you can add dimension to this, radius 40. This is fully defined constraint. Finish sketch, extrude. Now select this one. Now this distance 10 millimeter, but this is going downward side. So reverse direction. Output Boolean join. OK. Look. Now let's XZ plane, sketch, line, and connect from this point to this point. Right click, OK. See, finish sketch and go to find rib. Thickness 10 millimeter. Now thickness is both side. Now here I'll choose parallel to sketch. Look how the things are changed. If I'm going to rotate, you will see the preview. Say OK. Look. Now right click and uncheck visibility. So this is the simple exercise in Autodesk Inventor 2021. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor. Thanks for watching.